Innovative. My desk space is innovative. I made it into a standing desk, so I stacked books on top of each other and I placed the laptop on the top so it's at my eye level. Hi, I'm Samantha Webber. I work as a software developer at ScopeStack, primarily as a back-end developer. Before working at ScopeStack, I worked in Budapest, Hungary at Nokia. I was the administrator of a cloud server, so I managed some servers for a testing team. I've worked at ScopeStack only for a few months since March, so I think like 4 months. Actually, I originally wanted to be a writer because I love literature. I like classic literature. Thomas Hardy might be my favorite author. I ended up going into development because my father was a computer science. I remember he showed me how to connect to a remote server using PuTTY and how to write some programs in Bash, and I was really hooked and fascinated, and that led me into computer science. A typical day for me at ScopeStack, it can vary a lot. Some days I'm chewing through a bug that I was stuck on the previous day. Other days I'm going through documentation or learning a new feature. It was very important to me that I could be authentic with my teammates. And when I interviewed with ScopeStack, there was no question for me, like this was the team that I wanted to join. As a developer, there can be a lot of pressure to not admit that I'm stuck, but to only give updates. But at ScopeStack, I feel that it's just as good to say, I'm stuck here, like, hey, can I get your perspective on this? So when I finally overcome an issue, it's one of the best feelings. I think it's something that a lot of developers get hooked on is this feeling that, oh, I finally solved this. And sometimes it can be something very minor. And then when you finally solve it, it feels like the puzzle pieces are fitting together, and it's one of the best feelings.